टेल मी ऑनेस्टली, कभी आपने किसी रूम पे एंटर किया एंड थॉट ये रूम में कुछ तो ऑफ है, बट यू कुड नॉट फिगर आउट व्हाट इज वाज? As an interior designer, we work all kind of clients, new homeowner, couple doing renovation, people moving into rentals, even those doing quick makeover. And honestly, no matter what project size is, we see the same design mistake happening over and over again. Sometimes it's just a wrong curtain rod placement, sometimes it's art hang too high, and the thing is, this small mistake can completely throw off the look and feel of your space. So today we thought of sharing 7 design rules जो हम हमेशा follow करते हैं, because those are the guidelines that actually work, not the trends, just real design logic that makes your space feel balanced, beautiful and functional. Number 1, coffee table size. Small piece, big impact. अब हमने काफी बार देखा है clients fall in love with a beautiful table online, order it, and then when it arrives, it either looks too low or too bulky. Your feet just feel disconnected. So here is how we guide our clients. Your coffee table should sit the same height as your sofa set, or max 1 to 2 inches above or below. Anything too low feels like bending too high and it look like dining table. A dining table landed in the middle of your living room. Also length matters. Ideally it should be about 2/3 length of your sofa set. Let's say your sofa is 6 feet long. Then a 4 feet coffee table will look just right. Visually centered, functional and in proportion. अगर टेबल छोटा होता है, you don't want to buy new one. A little designer trick we often use is doubling it up, like using 2 small round tables side by side, or layering a side table around a central piece to build volume. A coffee table might seem like a detail, but it actually anchors your whole living room. Number 2, accent color. Don't stick to one flat shade. Let's talk about the color. So many times we hear things like we love green or we want everything in navy blue, which is great, but here is the mistake. Using that exact same shade in every single thing, from wall to cushion to accessories. When it happens, the space starts look a bit flat. There is no depth, no layer. Instead, what we do and what we suggest is to play with the entire range of the color family. For example, if you choose the color of terracotta, we won't stop at just one rusty orange shade. We will mix in peach tone neutrals, maybe even a blush or dusty rose for softness. Not just through paint, but through fabric, texture, tile, ceramic, artwork. This gives your space that designer feel. It looks like it has evolved over time, rather than being pulled straight from one page of catalog. Color is not just about matching, it's about storytelling. And one flat shade can't tell the whole story. Number 3, wall art height. No, it should not touch the ceiling. आज भी we walk into homes where art is either too high up, like touching the ceiling almost, or way too low, almost hidden behind the console. But wall art is not meant to float randomly. It should feel integrated to your space. So here is the golden rule we follow every single time. The center of the art piece should average 57 to 60 inches from the floor. That's average eye level for most of the people. And this applicable to everything. Single pieces, framed photo, even gallery walls. Let's say you are putting up 3 frames. Just make sure the middle frame one or the visual center of the arrangement is at that height. Then build the rest around it. Art placement is one of those things जिसका correct placement initially makes the space feel polished. No extra cost, no new purchase, just correct positioning. Number 5, curtain rod height. Go higher than you think. This one is surprisingly simple, but the impact is massive. We have seen clients hang curtain rod on the top of the window frame and then wonder why the room feels short or boxy. Here is what we do in every project. We raise the curtain rod at the 4 to 5 inches above the frame. And if the ceiling allows, we go as high as possible. Ideally just a few inches below the ceiling. This one small adjustment does 3 powerful things. It makes ceiling feel taller, it makes window look larger, and it draw the eye upgrade, adding visual height and drama. Also, your curtain should always touch the floor. No short panels hanging mid-air that instantly breaks the flow and make the room feel incomplete. Number 6, end table and nightstand. Size is not just about looks. Furniture height matters, especially for the pieces that are next to either major pieces like table next to the sofa or nightstand next to the bed. We always recommend it. End table should be above 1 to 2 inches below your sofa's armrest. Nightstand should line up with the top of your mattress. It's not just about the aesthetic, it's about the comfort. If the table is too low, it's inconvenient. Too high, it visually overpowers the furniture next to it. We never recommended teeny nightstand next to the king size bed. It's throw off the proportion completely. Here is the basic guide we follow. Queen size bed 1500 to 1600 and king size bed 1800 or more. Getting this right gives you space structure and balance without adding any cost. Number 7. Lighting. One bulb on the ceiling light is not enough. Good lighting can transform a space and bad lighting can ruin even most beautifully designed room. The biggest mistake. Relying only on the ceiling light. Instead, we design with 3 layers of lighting. Number 1. Ambient light. Your ceiling lights or main room lights. This sets the overall brightness of the room. Number 2. Accent light. Table lamp, floor lamp. This brings warmth, softness and mood. Task light. Reading lamp, under cabinet light, desk light. Those are focused and functional. Let's say you are in a living room watching a movie. You don't want all the overhead lights on, right? That's why a floor lamp or side lamp makes the space feel cozy and relaxed. In the kitchen, task lighting under the cabinet help you work safely and efficiently. Lighting should support how you use the space. When you done right, it becomes a mood enhancer. So these are the 6 design rules we never break. Most clients don't realize how much of difference those small changes makes. But once we implement them, the reaction is always same. Oh wow! It feels so much better now. Design is not just about what you add, it's about how you placed it, how you balanced it, and how you makes everything feel cohesive. We hope you found this helpful. If you are planning a room makeover or designing a new home, save this video and keep this tip in mind. And if you want to cover more topics like layout, planning, choosing rug size, or how to mix material, let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.